What if your job disappeared? Not in 10 years, not in 5, but before the next graduation class walks the stage. Sounds dramatic, right? But it's already happening. AI isn't just coming for factory workers or cashiers anymore. It's writing code, answering phones, even diagnosing patients. And if you think your career is safe, think again. You could be training for a job that won't exist by 2030. In this video, we're counting down the top 7 jobs most at risk of vanishing thanks to AI. And trust me, some of them will surprise you. If you're planning your future or just trying to stay ahead of the curve, you need to see this.
Job number 1, data entry.
What if I told you that one of the most common office jobs today, data entry, is on the verge of extinction by 2030? It might sound like science fiction, but it's the reality of AI automation. This isn't just about robots replacing humans. It's about how artificial intelligence, large language models, and data analytics are reshaping work. AI is taking over jobs that are repetitive and rule-based, and data entry clerks are right in the crosshairs. Unlike people, AI agents don't get distracted, make typos, or need coffee breaks. AI engineers have built systems that process thousands of records in seconds with near-perfect accuracy, something human workers simply can't match. According to McKinsey, 85% of data entry tasks can already be automated using current technologies. That's not a future scenario, it's now. From scanning receipts to updating databases and even interacting with customers through generative AI, the shift is already happening. These AI models don't just automate, they evolve, learning faster than most can keep up. But here's the turning point. This doesn't have to be a story about job loss. It can be a story about transformation. For individuals, the answer is upskilling, learning how to analyze data instead of just entering it, using digital tools, or even managing AI systems themselves. Think data strategy instead of data entry. Governments and businesses have a role to play too. They must invest in skill development, fund online courses like those teaching AI ethics, and create accessible pathways into new industries, from biotechnology to robotics to future tech. The Industrial Revolution was powered by machines. This next one? It's powered by algorithms and innovation. So the question is, will you adapt and explore new online jobs, or be left behind by the systems we've trained?
Number 2, telemarketer and customer service.
What if every customer service call you made was answered instantly, without robotic voices or endless waits? Imagine an AI that perfectly understands your issue, anticipates your needs, and never puts you on hold again. Well, here's the catch. By 2030, the jobs of telemarketers and customer service representatives are at serious risk of disappearing because of AI taking over jobs. Why? Because artificial intelligence, powered by advances in generative AI, deep learning, and large language models like ChatGPT, is getting smarter, faster, and more efficient at handling these exact tasks. Think about it. Over 80% of routine customer interactions can be automated using AI agents and AI automation technologies. That's not just a number. It means most of what these workers do daily can soon be done by AI robots and voice assistants that never get tired or take breaks. AI coding and AI development in tech giants of big tech are pushing this evolution rapidly. AI-powered chatbots and AI assistants are already replacing human voices on the other end of the line. They can handle thousands of calls simultaneously, understand your questions, and even detect emotions to respond appropriately. No more waiting on hold or repeating yourself. Sounds convenient, right? But what about the millions of people whose livelihoods depend on these roles in this industrial revolution, fueled by AI? Here's the silver lining. Individuals can future-proof their careers by developing skills that AI can't easily replicate, like empathy, complex problem-solving, and creative thinking. This is where skill development and career change come in. Entrepreneurs and professionals can benefit from AI training and prompt engineering courses to stay ahead. Governments and businesses must invest in retraining programs and education platforms focused on digital skills, data analytics, and AI engineering. We're not just talking about surviving this AI evolution, but thriving in it.
Number 3, receptionists and administrative assistants.
Imagine walking into an office and being greeted not by a smiling face, but by a sleek AI agent, a screen that already knows your name, your appointment, and even your favorite coffee. Sounds like future tech, right? But for thousands of receptionists and administrative assistants, this signals a career shift. These roles are at high risk of AI taking over jobs because many of their tasks, scheduling meetings, answering phones, processing forms, are repetitive, rule-based, and now easily handled by generative AI and automation systems. According to a study by McKinsey, over 65% of tasks in administrative support roles can be automated with existing AI technology. Virtual assistants like ChatGPT, scheduling bots like Clara, and AI-driven phone systems powered by deep learning and large language models are already replacing human counterparts in offices worldwide. These AI robots don't take breaks, don't call in sick, and work 24/7. This isn't science fiction. It's the new industrial revolution in the digital world. So, what's the best strategy? For individuals facing this change, skill development is key. Enroll in a prompt engineering course or learn data analytics and project management to stay relevant. Human-centered skills, emotional intelligence, creativity, and critical thinking remain irreplaceable by AI. For governments and entrepreneurs, supporting upskilling programs and career change initiatives is vital to cushion the impact of AI taking jobs. The future of AI in the workplace is inevitable, but it doesn't have to be a threat. Think about AI applications from biotechnology to AI filmmaking. The possibilities for collaboration between humans and machines are vast. Whether it's AI assistants in offices or humanoid robots on factory floors, adaptability is your greatest asset. If you work in admin today, ask yourself, how can I evolve with AI rather than resist it? The technology is advancing rapidly. Quantum computing, AI development, and innovations like Hyperloop and terraforming Mars hint at what's next. But the value of human connection, empathy, and adaptability, that's something no AI agent or nanobot can replace.
Number 4, drivers, taxis, trucks, and delivery vehicles.
Imagine this. A future where cars, trucks, and delivery vans glide smoothly through city streets without a single human behind the wheel. For millions of drivers, taxi drivers, truckers, or delivery workers, this AI future is closer than you might think. Why? Because driving is one of the most automatable jobs out there. Studies indicate up to 90% of driving tasks can be handled by autonomous vehicles, thanks to rapid advances in AI, robotics, and mapping technology. Already, big tech companies are testing self-driving trucks on highways, and autonomous taxis are rolling out in major cities worldwide. These AI-powered vehicles don't get tired, don't speed, and don't require brakes, promising safer roads and faster deliveries. But what does AI taking jobs mean for those whose career depends on the wheel? The threat of AI automation is real and massive. So, how do drivers avoid being left behind during this new industrial revolution? Individuals must proactively invest in skill development, exploring roles in logistics management, vehicle maintenance, or even becoming an AI engineer or pursuing a career change into data analytics and AI coding. Specialized training like a prompt engineering course or certification in generative AI can significantly boost employability in this shifting landscape. Governments have a critical role too, funding AI training and retraining programs, creating safety nets for displaced workers, and promoting industries to integrate humans into supervisory or customer-focused roles that artificial intelligence can't easily replace. Imagine a future where drivers become fleet coordinators, AI assistants, or tech supervisors, managing fleets of autonomous vehicles rather than being sidelined by them. Change driven by future technology like humanoid robots, quantum computing, and deep learning algorithms is inevitable, but survival depends on adaptation. Whether it's managing fleets, becoming an entrepreneur leveraging online jobs, or guiding complex AI models, human capacity to learn, adapt, and innovate remains unmatched. The road ahead might seem uncertain, but with strategic preparation and open-mindedness toward the AI evolution, we can confidently navigate the digital world. Let's embrace this transition, smartly, boldly, and fully prepared.
Number 5, manufacturing workers.
What if factories operated in perfect harmony? Each machine synchronized, every assembly line moving with precision, guided by AI-powered robots quietly transforming the entire production process. This isn't far off. In just a few years, the manufacturing landscape could be transformed completely. Why? Because AI automation and robotics are set to replace millions of jobs, especially those of assembly line operators and manufacturing workers. These roles are highly repetitive, predictable, and prime targets for AI taking jobs. Studies estimate that over 60% of manufacturing tasks could soon be managed entirely by artificial intelligence and advanced robots. Let that sink in. More than half of today's factory tasks performed by humans could vanish due to automation. Today's robots aren't limited to welding car parts, they're assembling electronics, inspecting products for defects using deep learning and sophisticated vision systems, and adapting to changes in real time thanks to advancements in AI engineering and machine learning. These AI-powered robots operate tirelessly, 24/7, dramatically boosting efficiency and accuracy. But what if your career depends on the assembly line? The threat of AI taking over jobs is daunting, yet individuals have the power to adapt. Embrace skill development through online jobs, prompt engineering courses, or transition into fields like data analytics, AI coding, and even becoming an AI engineer. The next industrial revolution, driven by future technology like generative AI and large language models, might reshape manufacturing. But our human resilience, ability to learn, and power to innovate will ensure no one gets left behind. The future of AI is inevitable, but how we adapt, that's entirely up to us.
Number 6, cashiers and retail salesperson.
What if your shopping experience was completely frictionless? No cashiers, no checkout lines, just seamless scans or sensors quietly billing you as you walk out of the store. Sounds convenient, right? But for millions working as cashiers and retail salespersons, this scenario highlights how quickly AI jobs are transforming industries. Why? Because their daily tasks, scanning items, processing payments, restocking shelves, are repetitive, making them prime targets for AI automation and robotics. Studies suggest that nearly 70% of cashier tasks can already be automated using current technology. Retail giants and big tech companies are investing heavily in AI-driven self-checkout kiosks, cashierless stores powered by sophisticated artificial intelligence, and even robot assistants managing inventory and guiding customers. These innovations never get tired, don't call in sick, and significantly reduce operating costs. But what does AI taking over jobs mean for workers behind the counters? It's time to seriously consider a career change. The solution lies in transitioning from routine tasks to skill development in areas AI struggles to replicate: personalized customer service, creative merchandising, and roles involving data analytics, AI coding, or even becoming an entrepreneur launching innovative online jobs or ventures. Could cashiers become retail experience specialists, tech-savvy advisors, or even AI assistants supervising intelligent systems? Absolutely. The future of AI isn't about resisting progress. It's about proactively adapting and evolving faster than the machines. So ask yourself, how can I upskill to thrive in a world increasingly shaped by AI? Because our uniquely human ability to connect, learn, and innovate remains irreplaceable. That's a future worth investing in.
And number 7, warehouse and inventory workers.
What if warehouses operated with flawless efficiency, powered by automated robots, rapidly sorting packages, managing inventory, and coordinating shipments, transforming logistics into a perfectly choreographed dance? Warehouse and inventory workers are among the jobs most at risk from AI automation and advanced robotics. Why? Because their daily tasks, sorting, packing, labeling, and managing stock, are repetitive, predictable, and increasingly better performed by robots and sophisticated AI systems. Studies estimate that up to 80% of warehouse tasks could already be automated using today's technology.
Companies like Amazon and other big tech giants are deploying AI-powered robots that pick and pack orders with incredible speed and accuracy, drones that monitor stock levels, and sophisticated software utilizing data analytics and deep learning algorithms to manage inventory flawlessly. These systems work tirelessly, eliminate errors, and drastically reduce operational costs. But what does this rapid advancement in AI taking jobs mean for millions of warehouse workers globally? It means change is inevitable, but it doesn't have to be devastating. Workers must learn to manage, maintain, and collaborate effectively with these emerging AI technologies. Imagine warehouse workers transitioning into roles as AI supervisors, automation specialists, or embracing entrepreneurship through online jobs. The question isn't if AI is taking over jobs, but how we'll respond. In this transformative age, the future belongs to those who embrace change, innovate, and prepare today.
Thanks for sticking around. Now you know which 7 jobs are at real risk of disappearing by 2030 because of AI. It's not just about automation, it's about preparing yourself for a future where adaptability is everything. Don't wait for change to catch you off guard. Start learning new skills, exploring new opportunities, and thinking ahead. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss the latest insights that could shape your career. And hey, check out our other videos to stay ahead of the AI revolution. Your future self will thank you.